In this video, we will see the process to install WordPress site. Let's dive into it. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Please subscribe. First, log into your Godaddy Cpanel account. Next, click Web Hosting Manage button. And again, click Cpanel Admin to enter Cpanel settings page. Here, you can see I have installed WordPress on a couple of sites. Click WordPress icon under Web Application section. Next, on WordPress installation page, click Install this application button to install WordPress application. Next, here select the domain name or website name where you want to install WordPress. Next, here you can choose to install the application in a directory instead of your main site like blog or shop directory. Next, enter other login information. Enter admin's username and password to log into WordPress. Next, enter a valid admin email address for future correspondence with WordPress site. Next, enter website or blog title and tagline or slogan here. And finally, click Install button to install WordPress application. And done. Successfully installed the WordPress site. Next, to customize the WordPress site, click the Customize Your link. Beginners, I would advise to use the template process. Use a starter template here. So, here you can customize your site elements like color, header, menu, footer and more. Site customization we will see in another video and I will update it in description section when done. So please check it. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial video. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.